Mimi na ndugu yangu Musalia tulifanya uamuzi. And Chinua Achebe says, a wise man standing on the ground will see farther than an idiot on top of a tree. Na sisi tulisimama on the ground and saw farther than the idiots who are on a tree. And we made a conscious decision that has brought our people this far. Ile tunawaomba, kwa sababu maendeleo haina mipaka. Na tumesikia magavana wetu wakiongea. I want to encourage you, our governors now, apart from your areas of jurisdiction, you must work on serious connectivity between our counties. Barabara kama ile ya Tarbo kwenda mpaka Endebess, cutting through 3 counties. Barabara hii ya Lurambi, barabara yenye natoka hapa mpaka kule Rwanda. You know, those ones that now connect our counties to be entwined as one. We want you to focus on that as well. Lakini Mheshimiwa Rais, hao watu ya Western, na nataka kuwashauri viongozi, we are not just here as Mlembe people. We have our brothers from Mount Elgon. We have our brothers from Teso. And we have other communities that live here. As we gratify and glorify this indivisible capital of the Mlembe nation, we are people of the region. Emuli ya Koliae, Chamuge watu ya Elgon, Mlembe bandu baluya, Musangalile. We want to live here with a strong message that the people of the Western region, tired of being divided politically, have now made a positive and conscious decision that from now on we shall soldier together as one. Kwa sababu siasa ndiyo inaendesha maendeleo. Even Kwame Nkrumah said, first seek ye the political kingdom, and the rest will follow. We must seek our political